Guys, welcome to the Victi family. I'm just gonna use an RC car from the skateboard. You see the skateboard, I was just practicing it yesterday, and we're just gonna drop it off the RC car. Just like practiced a while ago, so now you see it, right? Okay, let's start it. We got this on. Oh yeah, and of course, we needed to do it backwards. Okay, and turn the remote on. So now you'll see it. And actually, I'll have to hold it from this side. And let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Whoa! It just jumped. Made a flip. Let's do it again, actually. This is so cool. Oh my god. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Oh, it didn't make it that much, although it did jump. So, let's do it again. Okay. Let's do it. Actually, I'll just do it like this. Okay, and 3, 2, 1. Oh, let's take that cracked table. We cracked it. Actually, yeah. Let's go. It's not going that well, actually. So let's just see it. What's the problem? So let's put it into here. Okay, and go. Oh yeah, and tomorrow, the next vlog, the next channel is gonna be with the hoverboard. Actually, let's go. I'm just holding it so that will go faster. So let's go. Well, I don't have that much time because I have to listen. Oh my god. Oh. So the next vlog is the next channel. Whoa. The next channel is going to be with the hoverboard. Actually, I got it 1 month ago. Oh my god. Okay. So this is going to be cool. Let's go and see it. Yeah. Oh my god. Okay. And with the family.